In the second part of two stories about flying, we shall study their story entitled The Black Aeroplane. It is written by Frederick Forsyth. He was born on 25th August 1938 in England. He is an English author, journalist, a spy, and occasional political commentator. Before becoming a journalist, he joined the Royal Air Force and was a jet fighter pilot. This story is based on a surprising event that happened with the narrator. Their story describes mystery and suspense, which seem incredible to the scientific world, but we cannot deny the existence of such happenings. The narrator was flying his old Dakota aeroplane over France back to England, where he would enjoy his holiday. He wanted to reach his home in time so that he could enjoy a good big English breakfast along with his family. The stars were shining in the clear sky. Paris was about 150 kilometers behind him when he saw the storm clouds in the sky. They were very huge. They looked like black mountains which were standing in front of him. He knew that it was not possible for him to fly up and over them. He did not have enough fuel to fly around them to the north or south. He could have gone back to Paris, but he wanted to go home. He wanted to have breakfast with his family. So he decided to take the risk and flew that old Dakota straight into the storm. But everything went out of control. It was so dark inside the clouds that he could not see anything outside the aeroplane. The aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. The compass as well as other instruments stopped working. He tried to contact Paris control, but he was not able to do so. He was lost in the storm. Then the narrator saw another aeroplane quite near him in the black clouds. It had no lights on its wings. The narrator was very glad to see another person. The pilot of another plane waved at him and signaled to follow. The narrator followed him. Both of them flew for half an hour. The narrator started to feel frightened because there was fuel in the old Dakota only for 5 or 10 minutes more. But just then, another plane started to go down and the narrator followed through the storm. Then the narrator saw two bright lines in front of him. It was a runway. He was able to land safely. He took a sigh of relief. It was just like a miracle for him. The narrator wanted to meet the pilot of another black aeroplane to thank him for saving his life. Finding him nowhere on the airport, he went straight to the control room to inquire about the black aeroplane. But the woman in the control room laughed and replied that there was no other plane flying in the sky that night. It was a big surprise to the narrator. He did not get any answer to the question as to who helped him to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio. Thank you.